heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor falls and the major lifts. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Were your faith was strong, but you needed proof? You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke the throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew that hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Merry Christmas.